What up, my beautiful people? How we doing today? It's Jazzy, and today's video I'm going to show you how I am installing. Ooh, Lord, look at these baby hairs. How I am installing a wig and how I put it on and things like that. So don't forget to get this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and enjoy the video. And I hope you guys have a wonderful and blessed day. Thanks. Picture up here, and I ordered it on Amazon about a week ago, and it came in yesterday. Yay! So yeah, so let me show you what comes in the package. The package came like this. I don't know if you can see it, but the wig is it's a full synthetic wig, and it's from Lady Miranda, and I paid like $17.99, $18, and then wind up like shipping wind up being like $25. And then for the fans of the resistance, also it came with wig caps. And here's the wig itself. And this is a regular wig. There's no lace front, no nothing. So, you know, I don't have to do extra work. Well, still, yeah, extra work. Even though I do like lace fronts and everything. You gotta pop it on and go. Look at that. I like how the curls look. It's really pretty. Elastic band hook that you can hook it to stretch it to how tight you want it or to how loose you want it. And for me, I normally, whenever I wear these kind of wigs, I normally do it to the second loop. You know, we want that secured and tight. Oh, and it has clips. They got clips in here. Let me flip it inside out. But yeah, they got clips, snap clips on here, so you can snap and place. That is cool. I like that. I like that when they do that, put that extra, like adding a comb or whatever to it, so it can hook instead of you putting 10,000 bobby pins, because you know you want this secure. You don't want to be snatched off your head. So see what we're working with. So as y'all seen in the previous clip, I had, you know, twisted my hair and did flat twist because I'm not a braider. Like, I only know how to plait. So, but I got the flat twisted hanging out, and I'm learning how to plait, but we gonna get there. You know, we gonna get there. And now I'm just putting my cap on, just making sure everything is laid flat as possible for the wig. Take some of my edge control. Even though I'm leaving a little bit of hair out, you want it, your edges down a little slick. But I'm not doing no got to be glue. And so I'm just taking my wide tooth comb and just combing out the curls a little bit so they don't look so uniformed. It is cute, you know, and it's different, a little bit different, but just don't have to do because your sister has to go to work. You know what I'm gonna do? I'll just do is I'm gonna put a little bit of concealer in this part so it looks natural. A little bit, nothing crazy. But yeah. Really like how it turned out. It's really cute, and you know, protects my hair, still be cute, you know, rock things, you feel me? Look like I got a flat press or a silk press. Huh, I'm just joking. But I thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye.